Connected. On foot, at a walking pace, you feel deeply connected to the history, culture, and beauty of a destination. Welcome to Walking and Hiking Tours by Gate 1, our perfect balance of cultural immersion and memorable walking and hiking experiences. It's our newest way to show you more of the world for less. On our tours, you'll have time to absorb and appreciate the world around you, up close, one step at a time. Our collection of tours will take you along the Portuguese coastal way to a 4th century BC Celtic village before arriving in Santiago de Compostela, through the natural wonder of the 660-foot deep Are Gorge Trail, and to the famous Stalbeck Falls, cascading nearly 1,000 feet. You'll see historic arched stone bridges and hiking paths once used by monks in Greece. You'll stroll alongside idyllic alpine lakes in Austria and ride a cogwheel train to the summit of Schaffberg Mountain. You'll find hidden gems on the island of Capri during your hike to Natural Arch. And you'll savor the once-in-a-lifetime experience on the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. Not only will you discover unforgettable natural beauty, but you'll also immerse yourself in the culture and engage with locals. You'll share lunch in a Moroccan family's home, enjoy wine tastings at family-run wineries in Greece and Switzerland, and in a home in Croatia. You'll participate in cooking classes in Austria and Spain, and visit a lemon grove along the Amalfi Coast.
Fantastic!
To help you find a trip that's right for you, on each walking tour itinerary, you'll see the daily activity level as well as walking time and distance. And of course, on all our tours, you'll receive the same great service our clients have come to expect over the last 40 years with Gate 1. Our walking tours are led by qualified hiking guides. They're locals, specially trained with expert knowledge of the region, including the native flora and fauna. With one guide for every 11 travelers, they'll maximize your safety and enjoyment. And because our groups are small, we'll be able to stay in boutique, off-the-beaten-path properties and unique first-class hotels. You'll stay above the misty clouds with views of Nepal's Himalayan range, in stylish charm at the foot of Machu Picchu, in Sorrento overlooking the Gulf of Naples, in French elegance just steps from the Palace of Versailles, and in a deluxe camp in Jordan's Wadi Rum Desert. With walking and hiking tours by Gate 1, you'll feel connected to your destination. It's the perfect blend of cultural experiences and walking and hiking excursions.